This heavy-duty STABYLIS skirting kit creates a solid barrier around your recreational vehicle, keeping cold drafts, road spray, and harsh sun off the undercarriage. The combination of a tough polyester upper layer and a dense metal mesh along the bottom helps block wind, shed water, resist ultraviolet damage, and discourage animals from getting underneath. Its generous, continuous length works well for many travel trailers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes when you measure around the outer edges, including tires and supports. High-visibility reflective edging around the skirt makes the rig easier to spot in low light, which is reassuring when parking at night or dealing with roadside situations. The material is designed to handle both deep winter cold and intense summer heat, helping protect plumbing from freezing while also taking some strain off the interior climate control. Reinforced hook and loop straps make installation straightforward without tools, and the skirt rolls up into a compact bundle that stores about like a sleeping bag when the season changes.